Alrighty, here we have an area problem for circles. So it goes as follows. A Ferris wheel has a radius of 65 feet. What is the area of the circle? All right, so let's highlight important information. We are given the radius, which is equal to 65 feet, and we're being asked to find the area of the circle. Now, important information that we need to know is that we need to round to the nearest tenth. And let's write down the formula for area, which is A equals pi times r squared. We know what the radius is equal to, so let's go ahead and replace r with the value. So again, we have area equals pi times 65 squared. Let's pull up our calculator to the side. Oops. Oh, okay. Hold on a second. Let's try that again. There we go. Let me make this a little smaller and bring my screen into place. Making lines everywhere. Alright, so 65 squared. We got 65 on the left side. We use the A to the square button. And it tells us 65 squared is equal to 4,225. So I'm going to come back to my screen on the left and write that in just because it's a lot of numbers. So now we have A is equal to pi times 4,225. So I'm going to take those two and multiply them together. So I got 4,225 times pi. And this is telling me that the area, the amount of space the Ferris wheel takes up, is equal to 13,273 well, we're rounding to the nearest 10th place. So that's going to be 0.2 feet. Holy cow, that's a lot of space. All right, I'm going to come back to the main screen over here. All right, there we go. All right, so let me make this a little prettier. Not really, but all right. So we were asked to find the area of the Ferris wheel. So we wrote the formula, area equals pi times r squared. We replace r with 65 because that's the radius. We square 65, which gave us 4,225, and then we multiply that by pi, and it came out to be 13,273.2 feet. And there you have it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave us a comment or reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.